Oh.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to White Noise again with Fox, Media Meerkat, and
He's gone. No, and no one. No one's here. Shut up. What are you talking about? Oh, dude, let's see if we can find the dissection room.
wait,
Where he kills all those guys?
where you guys at? Where the fuck did I spawn?
That's this way.
There's my Helma.
Are you by yourself?
Where are you?
I'm by myself!
I don't think that's safe.
Oh, fuck this, I'm going in a corner.
Wait.
Come find me.
Let's think about this.
I will unpause the video when you guys find me.
Turn around.
Me?
Turn around.
Did you find me?
Yes, you.
This, me?
Hey.
Oh, I love you! Mwah!
Go back to the file room. Go back to the file room, man.
Okay. Nate, are you the redhead? Are you the redheaded girl?
No, that's the, what, that is him. Where's that other person at?
Oh, there's one in here. There's the one in here.
That kid.
Marley, stop sniffing my butt crack.
Oh, that's sexual.
Sexual chocolate.
I love chocolate.
Hey, do not pick it up. We're gonna let Austin pick up the recorder. Because we're that nice.
I need to start so I can start unlocking people.
No, dude, I needed 7 more, and remember we found 5 in the last game, and I didn't pick up 1.
Oh, I got it!
Oh! No! 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 Ramo! Run! Ah! I'm out! Fuck it!
Chasing you!
Fuck it!
Dude, where are you guys at?
Guys, he's over me. I'm in the room. Go. He's gone. He's gone.
Where you guys at? Everybody go back to the...
Alright, come.
Stop freaking out.
No! No! My controller's turning!
He is Austin. He's going, no!
Want to watch this video? This one's probably my favorite.
I still hear their tape recorder.
Where's Captain? Oh, there's Captain. Turn around. Captain, get out of the corner. Don't
I was out of the corner.
the corner. Get out of here.
Get the back.
Oh my god.
He's in the back.
Bitch is in the back.
I was like, if he's still in the room, where is he?
Oh, you guys, is that the bathroom symbol or cargo?
That's the prison.
Okay, there's most likely something in the cargo.
There is cargo. It's the very
No!
back.
No! Not in the back! No! Fuck you! You're in the back. And there's just these stupid ass cameras in the fucking game, and it's not protecting anybody. What the fuck is this? Guys, it's the Indiana scene from Indiana Jones. Fox? Fuck you, Nathan. You're in the back this time. Fuck you.
Hey guys, sing!
Captain, I'm telling you. Captain, I'm telling you. Because I didn't get one, I'm going to get new characters. And I didn't even collect one. What's that? What is that?
Who's in the back now?
No, what is this thing? What is this? You guys see this?
What?
The stick in the middle of the hallway? Turn it around. You guys see
No! Fuck yeah!
Oh my god.
Guys, are you following me? Are you following me?
No!
Fuck!
We're not.
Dude, shut up.
Yeah, where are you? Where are you?
I can't believe you guys actually turned around. Like, I was just saying there was a tombstone in the middle of the ground.
Austin, where are you? All I heard was middle of the ground. Austin, where are you?
I found a corner! I found a corner!
We lost you. Where are you?
I found a corner.
Austin, get out of the corner.
Fuck you.
Get out of the corner.
Guys, jail cell, jail cell, jail cell.
No, we didn't.
Dude,
We didn't.
Yeah, in the subway. It's this way. In the subway.
Oh, Austin, get out of the corner, dude.
Where am I looking? Which way do we go?
This way.
You guys found me!
Right
Yeah!
here, guys. No, I know I went in the subway. Right through this door, remember? Remember we saw... That's when we came out this
Fox,
time.
Fox, let's ditch him. Let's ditch him. Sacrifice! Turn right, Fox, turn right. Ah! No! 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 Ah! Go! Go back to the corner!
You're at the opposite way of us.
Dude,
No! I'm gonna die! I'm gonna go crazy! No!
come back.
I'm coming.
No! 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 I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! I'm looking at shit! What the fuck? No! 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 No!
Beer cat, turn around. Hey, turn around.
Oh god, I have no flashlight! Guys, my flashlight's dead.
Guys, turn around. I found a room where we can get a recorder.
Oh, there we go. Dude,
Oh,
my...
the alien thing. Where the aliens are.
Dude! Ah! 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 No! 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 Fuck no! No!
You can tell this one's there because the
Chloe,
Vikings
come
are
here.
coming.
Come here, Chloe.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Ah! Ah! What the fuck?
All died in one corner. We all died
What?
in one corner. Look at the time. 7:09, 7:13, and 7:15. And we all died. Oh my god.
Oh, I was that chick?
Yeah, you were the redhead. Watch this replay. It's just us all dying in one corner.
Did you hear me scream?
See, this is why it's good to record every video we do.
Oh
Did you hear me scream? I screamed so loud.
I'm done.
Oh, hey, Captain.
I'm done.
Oh my god.
Dude, that one corner was the death of us.
We all died.
Because I did not turn off my light.
And
I
then,
turned on my light and I died.
and then,
I had my light on, I died. That's just fine with fear.
This is where he goes to the corner. We're like, okay, let's all go talk to him. Are you okay?
I'm done with this game.
Dead. All three of us died.
Alright. Alright.
Oh my god.
Alright, thanks for watching, YouTube.